In this episode of Basics Woodworking, I show you how I made this medicine cabinet. And oh, do you notice there's a few unusual design features? Well, I'll show you how those came about. So first off, my handy worker here began by unloading the lumber. And I must say that I built this medicine cabinet for a friend who had the confidence in my skills even when I didn't. And as you can see here, the frame is not square. Initially, I wasn't going to record a video for this project. As a result, I don't have any footage of when the frame was made. However, I do have an explanation for why it didn't come out square. What you are looking at here is called the shoe of the circular saw. When I made the cuts initially for the frame, the shoe was not where it was supposed to be. It was not at the 0 degrees mark. What I didn't figure out until long after was that this little knob here was tightened more than it should have been. That resulted in the shoe being off by a few degrees, which meant every cut was off by a few degrees and consequently the entire frame. So anyways, that means that for this video, I can only show you the building of the door frame and every step thereafter. Here, I am using the double jig that I bought for the very first time. I'm using it to make the door frames nice and tight and square so that it is very strong. Since it is the first time using the double jig, you can see that I made a mistake. If you look closely, you'll see that there is a hole on that side which shouldn't be there. Yeah, first time mistake. Here, I'm doing a dry fit to see if it all lines up. And of course, being the first time, I placed it wrong. So yeah, I had to turn it around. And it fits pretty well. The alignment was just a little bit off, as you can see here. Just a tiny smidge. After the door frame was all glued up, my daughter was making some wood filler using sawdust and wood glue. You tell me, does it look like she's doing a good job? The wood filler was needed because the original lumber used was uneven on some of the edges. And here I am using my router for the very first time. I made sure to use protection for both my eyes and ears. I made sure to do the inside of the door frame as well. Just a basic 45-degree chamfer, nothing fancy. Next, I made an edge rabbet for the mirror to lay in. Next up is the first coat of paint. I did the frame and my helper did the door. Girls rock. I left it to dry for the afternoon, and then after that, applied a second coat on another day. I'm using E6000 glue to attach the mirror. And I'm gonna put a couple books to apply some clamping pressure. After all, that's what books are good for. By request of the client, I added some mechanical fasteners as well. Next up is deciding where to put the handle. Well, that was decided by the client, who said they wanted it in the middle. And there you have it, a medicine cabinet made by an amateur. Join me next time where I will show you how to mount it to the wall using this French cleat system. If you have any ideas to help me master this design feature here, I would greatly appreciate that. So until next time, please like, subscribe, and share.